Alright, let's ascend to be heroes. Pack time with Chowtime. Alright, look at that sweet bash set. Oh yeah, let's do ascending heroes. Alright, let's go. First one. Okay, Tadbulb, Rulu, Dunsparce, Buddy Puffin, Team Rocket, Pig Knight, Corbink. Alright, here's our first reverse. Miss Magnus. Okay. Tree Guy. And Groudon. Alright. It's alright. 2-pack magic. Second pack magic. Let's go. Alright. Let's make some magic with the second pack. Let's go. Sunfish. Raccoon Guy. Oddish. Waltz. Urbane. Dustoff. Pongoro. Lanatoon. Vanilla Lux. And Mega Electros EX. Look at that. That is a sweet looking card. Alright. Last pack magic. And we'll put that in the penny sleeve in a second. Alright. Come on. Oh, no God pack. Rotes. Another Tableau. Oh man, this looks like the same cards. Alright. Alright. Parade. Weeping Bell. T-Pig. And King Gambit. Alright, at least we got one sweet looking card. Cool. Alright, y'all. Remember, as always, Chowtime. Peace.